Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display in iOS 27. So guys, if you are using iOS 27 and you are facing this pop-up on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it or whether you can fix it or not. So guys, basically the unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display notification is a hardware serialization mismatch. It appears when a screen has been replaced by an unauthorized technician or with a non-original part. There is no pure software fix. It requires either an official Apple repair or a micro soldering hardware bypass. So guys, basically if you have replaced the screen of your Apple device and you have replaced the screen by an unauthorized technician or with a non-original part, then this pop-up will appear again and again, and it will notify you that your iPhone has not a genuine Apple display. So guys, basically if you change the screen, if it is broken, and then you replace it by a non-original part, or you have used a screen that is not original, then this pop-up will appear again and again until you replace the screen by an official Apple repair service center. So guys, you have to simply replace it from the Apple service center, and after this message will be gone. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Apple device as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.